Hi everybody, I'm Natalie.
And I'm John.
And we're here for another unboxing video to see the latest and greatest that the library is going to have very soon on our shelves. So, John.
All right, let's open it up. Let's see what we have today.
Oh, I'm so excited. And as always, we're practicing razor safety. Cut away from you. From that last time.
All right, let's take a look at what we have here.
Oh boy.
Let's see. First impressions.
All right, John, what's your first impression of first impressions?
All right, this obviously has to be about deja vu. You know, when you walk into a room and you have this moment like, oh, I've been here before. I know it, but I just can't remember. What do you think?
Well, there seems to be a man and a woman on the cover and two turtles. So I'm getting more of maybe a romance novel vibe. Let's see. Yes, they have, he proves to be the ultimate hire, charming his way. Yep, this is definitely going to be a romance.
Oh, definitely.
Yes. So if you are looking for a new modern romance, definitely check this out. And if you like turtles, probably, because there's turtles.
Definitely.
What do you got next?
Okay. What comes after?
What comes after what, John?
Well, I see a lot of trees on the cover and a house behind it, so I'm guessing this is what comes after camping in your backyard. Definitely, you spend the night out there under the stars, and if you need to, you can run right in for the bathroom. No problem whatsoever.
Wow, yeah, sounds like my childhood. All right, let's see what this is. I don't, the red is ominous, John. Let's see. Oh, yeah, after the shocking death of two teenage boys. So it looks like this is maybe a suspense, maybe a little bit of a thriller. Oh, it's a suspenseful mystery at its core. So if you're looking for a new suspenseful mystery, definitely check What Comes After.
Okay.
No camping in the backyard, it looks like.
All right, let's see what we have next. Zero Proof.
Zero Proof.
Okay, obviously this is going to be a legal thriller. Zero proof, no evidence whatsoever. How can he make the case without any evidence beside it? What can you say?
I think the only crime here, John, is that there is just no, there's just no alcohol in these drinks. Yeah, it's 90 non-alcoholic recipes for mindful drinking. So no crime here. No crime here. So yeah, it looks like these are really beautiful looking drinks. Look at that, John.
Wow.
Who knew?
So no crimes, just refreshment.
Just refreshing beverages. So definitely check that one out if you're looking to maybe find a new drink that doesn't have any alcohol in it. So definitely check that out.
All right. Next here we have The Good Sister. All right. This one is definitely about family. So what we're talking about is just, you have a sister, maybe one's not that great. The other one, very good.
Yes.
A very good sister. We're talking about the family favorite here.
Are you the family favorite, John?
Not at all. Just joking.
All right. Well, let's see. That's a ominous lady in the window. That I don't think this is going to be a family saga here. Let's see. Oh, we have a little library action. Fern Castle works in her local library. Looks like we have some intrigue about twin sisters. So that's gonna be, I think, more of a mystery thriller.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so definitely check this out. I think actually a lot of people already have this on hold. So definitely get in line for this one. A lot of people are excited about it. So great.
All right.
All right.
All right. And this one is Agatha Christie's Parole. Parole.
I think it's Parole.
Oh, there you go.
Parole, Agatha Christie's arguably greatest detective.
I did not take French in high school.
Yeah, neither did I, John. Neither did I. But you know what's fun about Agatha Christie? Do you know why she became a writer?
Why?
It's because she knew so much about poisons from working as a nurse in World War I.
Oh, wow.
Some people think maybe she should have. She knew a lot about poisons because she was a writer. No, she became a writer because she knew a lot about poisons.
Oh, wow.
Yes, so this is all about Parole, the greatest detective in the world. So if you're a big Agatha Christie fan, or you just like to read about how a detective makes his way through all those different stories, definitely check this one out. Oh no, John, I think we're at the end of our box.
Oh, that's it for today.
All right, well, catch us there for our next unboxing video. Bye!
Bye!